everybody, today I'm going to show you how to make this bracelet. It's amazing and it has a little pendant thing on it. So let's get into the video. The things that you'll need for this project is a lid, like any plastic lid, some yarn in the color of your choice, and a hot glue gun with a fresh new hot glue gun stick. First, take your lid and make it to where you don't want the lip to be facing up, you want it to be facing down, like this. Take your hot glue gun and just glue on a dot of any size of your choosing. Now peel it off. This might still be a little bit hot depending on when you take it off. At this point you want to make a friendship bracelet. Wrapping it around twice, you're not even gonna wrap it. So you're just gonna make it like that. So just make a friendship bracelet. If you watched my video on how to make a wrap bracelet, you would know how to make this bracelet. But since this is not a wrap bracelet, it's going to be like the exact same thing, except we're just not going to wrap it around. I recommend watching my how to make a wrap bracelet video before you start this project. Or if you have a wrap bracelet that you already have, you can just glue your pendant onto it. So I think one more. You want it to be able to fit around the fattest part of your hand, so I think it's good. So, once you have that, cut off the extra yarn, and just pull everything through. Then tie it together. Making a double or a triple knot. See, that was very quick. See, my wrist is this small, and that is small, so yeah. Now, since your pendant is small, you're going to have to keep watch of it all the time, so you don't lose it. So just keep it where you would see it. Yeah, if that makes any sense. So this might be the hardest part of the whole thing. So how you put the pendant on is you take your hot glue gun and squirt it onto the knot. Right there. And you're going to stick your pendant onto it so that it covers up the knot. Like that. And you're done. There's your finished pendant bracelet. If you wanted to make this into a choker, you can make it bigger. So this is what my bracelet looks like when it's on. I think it looks awesome. So here's what the bracelet looks like when it's on me. It looks amazing. And so the question of the day is, did you try this project out? If you did, leave a like on this video. Have a super fun day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!